Telegram login problem, verification code fix. So if you're facing issues logging into Telegram and not getting verification code or anything, there could be various reasons. You want to start off by checking your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular or vice versa. Make sure that you're receiving and being able to send SMS on your phone, because if that is not the case, Telegram will not be able to send you verification code. So make sure you're also in a space where your cellular network is actually quite strong. Sometimes, instead of sending the SMS on your phone, it will send an SMS on your previous device where your Telegram account is currently logged in. So let's say your Telegram account is logged in on your laptop or computer, it will actually send the verification code to the Telegram account on those devices. So if you have access to your Telegram account, log in, and there you'll find the option to log in using your verification code. If it's still not helping, just try to uninstall and reinstall the Telegram application and see if that helps you. If not, I will suggest you an alternative. That is to download another version of Telegram which is developed by Telegram themselves, so it's not a third-party app. That is called Telegram X. So Telegram X is also completely similar to the native Telegram app. You'll have all the features and you log in the same way, same account, same groups, same chat, same channels, and the same phone number. So hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.